Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Hyundai Elantra wipers, only way. Start by lifting the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks upright, taking care not to let it snap back. Inspect the blade connection type and release the clip gently using a flat tool if needed. Keep parts organized and note orientation so reassembly is straightforward and reliable for your next rainstorm. Fold a soft towel beneath the arm to protect the glass and pull the blade assembly down to access the connector. Press the release tab or rotate the adapter depending on your Elantra model, then slide the blade off with steady pressure. Avoid twisting the arm to prevent spring damage and set the old blade aside so you can compare it with the new replacement for correct length and adapter alignment. If you're finding this helpful, please hit subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, I love the simple path to wealth because it makes saving and investing feel simple, like swapping a wiper blade without stress. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy that read if it helps you save more. Now let's get back to the video. Align the replacement blade with the wiper arm adapter and slide it into place until it locks with an audible click, confirming a secure connection. Gently lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield to avoid sudden impact and test operation at low speed to check for streaking or skipping. Repeat on the passenger side and confirm both blades clear the glass fully for safe visibility in rain or snow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.